for which interview, on which date, and in which place?
Nical
Which
automobile engineering stream on tomorrow at Mumbai. 14.
automobile? Oh, Baba. You know why I'm laughing? The type of questions that I can ask. I don't know what is it they are going to ask. You know,
Mhm.
even in our group, lot of links. You must have seen them. Have you seen the links provided by me on mechanical engineering, on automobile engineering, and all that? Did you see them?
Yes, I've gone through those links. Maybe one
I
link I've
don't know.
not gone.
I don't know
Yeah.
how far they will be relevant for you, but
Mhm.
still, mm, uh, you can make the use of them for studying
Mhm.
about various things. I don't know, because today I have conducted an interview for a participant, automobile engineering, and the person could not answer majority of the questions because we have
Mhm.
not prepared from that in our mind.
Mhm.
That was the reason. So, I have given 600 plus top mechanical engineering questions, then
Yeah.
ambition interview, automobile engineering interview, then interview prep.org, then 50 mechanical engineering career guru and all. I am not
Yeah.
going
Mhm.
those details now
Mhm.
because I'll be discouraging you, or maybe you will be able to answer. I don't know.
Mhm.
But regarding that area, you have to prepare. My role will be to check about your knowledge regarding Insurance Act, then about NIACL, and also about HR related questions. Do you
Okay.
follow, do you follow what I say now?
Yeah, I do follow what you're trying to say. So
Very
you
good.
won't be asking anything related to automobile, you mean?
Don't mind asking. If I ask something and you are not able to answer, you should not find fault with me. Huh? For example, and because you know what happened in that candidate, for that candidate, he said, sir, they will not ask about mechanical engineering to us, sir. That is what he said. Okay.
Um, I'm not sure because they might ask some basic mechanical engineering questions also because even automobile engineers, first 2.5 years we study mechanical, pure mechanical. Only after that, this automobile
What
starts.
is explain Yenthal? Acha, shall we start now? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Explain enthalpy. Enthalpy. Enthalpy.
Yeah, so enthalpy is the sum of internal energy and the product of pressure and volume.
Yeah, good. But here it is given, I don't know whether it is correct. It is the heat content of a thermodynamic system.
Yeah, that's
It
yeah,
is given
that's
like this
maybe yeah. Yes,
different.
it is correct. No, it is correct. It is just a basic
What is
definition.
universal coupling?
Universal coupling.
Hmm.
Mm,
Universal coupling is used to connect two shafts,
okay,
axes or inclined to each other. It
okay.
consists of a
Same
pair
here.
of hinges connected by a cross shaft. Should I
Mm,
repeat? Universal coupling is used to connect two shafts whose axes are inclined to each other. It
okay,
consists of a pair of hinges connected by a cross shaft.
okay. Yeah. So yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yes,
Can you
it
explain
is.
mechanical refrigeration?
Yeah. So mechanical refrigeration has one compression cycle, one expansion cycle, one
Hmm.
expansion, and one condensation cycle, and the other one is heat rejection or evaporation, heat rejection or evaporation cycle. So these are the four cycles that are there in in the refrigerator. So the refrigerant first goes to compressor, it gets compressed, and then it'll go to the condenser or the throttle where it. So should I explain the whole process or?
No, not necessary. If you tell
Okay.
brief, that will do. But let
Okay.
me tell you, what you said was not wrong. But
Mm-hmm.
here it is presented differently.
Mm-hmm.
Mechanical refrigeration is a process by which heat is removed from a specific location using an artificial heat exchange system. The refrigeration system can be cyclic, non-cyclic, magnetic, or thermoelectric, depending on the application for which refrigeration is needed. समझ गया?
Yeah, got it. So again, this is also like
This is
basic
basic.
definition.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Good. This is. Can you understand what is KNURLING?
What was
Knurling.
that?
Knurling.
Okay,
NURLING.
knurling
का
is
पहले
a
K
on
लगाया.
the on the lathe machine. It is a process where you uh, create a shape like handle.
Super. Exact. Very same words you have used. I'm really happy. What do you understand by engineering drawing?
Engineering drawing is a design or a
What can we learn from that?
we can learn the properties of the model, like how what the dimensions of the model, the cross section of the model.
Correct, correct. Here it is given technical details and requirements. Doesn't matter. Fine. What you
Okay,
said is fine. Can you
okay.
explain what is a bearing?
Mm,
Silly question,
okay.
I know, but still answering may be difficult.
Yeah, it is difficult to
it
answer.
is
What is a
silly, it's a silly thing
uh
that you study in the first year.
yeah,
Explain,
so
explain bearing.
bearing is something that is used between two surfaces for easy movement.
Super.
Uh, yeah,
Smoother movement. Super,
yeah.
super, super. Good. You are correct. What does AFBC stand for?
AFBC.
Anji.
No, sir, I'm not sure what is it.
Atmospheric,
Huh?
atmospheric fluidized bed combustion.
What?
Atmospheric fluidized bed
That-
combustion. If you want, I can show you, but then I have given the link to you. Carrierguru99.com.
Okay. Hmm.
Carrier.guru99.com. I think I have given yesterday the link.
Yeah, maybe I'll check.
Yeah. Explain the nuclear reactor.
Okay, nuclear reactor.
Maybe this is not very relevant for you because nuclear and all will not come under cars and all that. So we will
No,
leave that.
yeah.
We will leave
Okay.
this question. That's not required. Now,
Okay, fine.
another question is define case hardening.
Case
Case hard.
hardening.
Uh,
Okay, so it is a technique used to harden the surface of the iron, if I'm not wrong.
correct, correct, correct.
Okay.
Why is heat treatment of steel metal crucial?
Heat treatment of steel metal to avoid corrosion
Mm.
and also to make the surface smoother or more resilient.
It is important to get the desired property,
Mm.
change electrical and magnetic properties, and relieve the stress after hot or cold working. Okay,
Okay.
that's all. Yeah,
Magnetic
I
and what?
answered. I answered about 7 to 8 questions from out of the 50, and you were able to answer probably 6 or 5 questions correctly. As it is in the not that this is the correct one. जो मेरा
Yeah.
आंक का पास में है, that's what you are answering. That way I am happy. Should I ask some more for you? Some
Mm.
3 more questions on this.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, 3 more questions.
Okay.
How oxygen can be removed from steel during melting? What are fully killed steels? Perhaps if it is out of portion, don't worry, leave it. It is
Oxygen is removed through annealing.
uh,
Is it right? I
no,
don't
no, the
remember.
oxygen can be removed by adding elements such as manganese, silicon, or aluminium, which because of their high affinity for oxygen react with it to form non-metallic oxides which rise into the slag. Steels which have had most of their dissolved oxygen removed are called fully killed steels.
Okay, no, this question might actually be relevant because
Okay,
it is
relevant.
related to materials, right? Because
Yeah.
material science is important in automobile engineering. So,
What do you understand by critical points in ion carbide diagram? What do you understand by
okay. Ion carbide.
the temperatures at which the phase changes occur
Yeah,
are called
critical
critical
points.
points. Super. What are the major effects of alloying elements?
Major what?
Major effects.
Major effects of alloying.
Alloying elements.
Major effects of alloying elements. It will increase the durability, strength, and malleable properties.
Hmm, okay. What you said is not wrong, but यहाँ पर दिया है alter the transformation temperatures and items and times to
Okay.
modify the room temperature and elevated temperature strengths of given structures by stiffening the crystals and introducing complex precipitates which tend to harden the steel, to modify the type of oxide film formed on the surface of the steel and thereby affect its corrosion resistances. Okay,
Okay.
what is
Corrosion.
this buckling factor?
Oh yeah, buckling
Buckling
factor.
factor. It is a ratio of equivalent length of column to the minimum radius of gyration. I don't know what
Hmm.
is gyration को भी explanation मांगेगा देख लीजिए. Now, what do you understand by EUTECTIC? EU tactic. सुना है इसके बारे में?
EU
EUTECTIC.
eutectic mixture.
EUTECTIC. What do you understand by eutectic? It is a
Uh,
mechanical mixture.
it is a mixture where the melting point is lower, like lowest possible melting point or something like.
No, it is a mechanical mixture of
Hmm.
two or more phases
Hmm.
which solidify simultaneously from the liquid alloy.
Okay.
Okay, what is the maximum use of magnesium?
This I'm not sure. Use of magnesium.
Magnesium is used to alloy the aluminium and as an additive for making SC, spheroidal graphite ion, SG ion, spheroidal graphite ion.
Okay, and also to alloy aluminium, right?
Yeah. Last question.
Mm-hmm.
In which process fluid expands but does no work?
Uh, isoentropic process.
No, no. It is given as some starting with the letter T.
T.
T for temple. Throttling process.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Throttling is also isoentropic actually.
These are the things.
Yeah.
All right. This is the thing. This is where I was asking you 600 top mechanical engineering questions. This is given under
Hmm.
engineeringinterviewquestions.com. I have given
Mm-hmm.
our WhatsApp. Okay,
Okay.
good. Today only we will know what type of questions they are asking.
Hmm.
Now,
Is anybody
ये
attending the interview today from the?
पता नहीं हमारा उतना डिटेल हम मन में रखा नहीं है whether anybody is attending or not. Why don't you put in our group anybody
No,
attending interview?
yes.
Please post the question.
Yesterday I asked, but nobody replied, so I
Nobody
thought I'll
replied.
ask.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but there is one girl, some girl
Hmm.
from Kolkata. She only takes initiative by going to through the various Telegram groups and gets questions and posts here.
Hmm. Right.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Now, apart from this, there can be silly questions. I think that day itself I told you which
Hmm.
automobile company you are in which state?
I'm right now in Nasik,
नासिक
Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र महाराष्ट्र में कुछ कार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज हैं
Yeah, there's a Indian manufacturing plant for Mahindra and Mahindra in Igatpuri.
महेंद्रा अच्छा
Hmm.
good. So which in India which cars are sold more?
Maruti Suzuki, if it is the Indian companies.
Indian company only I'm asking.
Yeah,
Indian
Maruti Suzuki.
yeah. Which cars are being exported more from our country and to which country?
Exported are both Maruti and also Tata, a few Mahindra and Mahindra also, but to which country I'm not sure
I'm just
specifically.
searching export of cars from India. Which Indian cars are exported to other countries? Talking about the Indian cars exported to other countries, Ford EcoSport. Ford E. I'm showing the link you are able to see.
Yeah, yeah. But
Ford EcoSport is definitely on the list as it is usually among the top exported vehicles from India. And your Chevrolet was discontinued in 2017. But did you know
hmm,
Chevrolet Indian manufacturing facility is still functioning? I don't know the position now. How many passenger cars were exported from India in 2023? The answer is 662.9 thousand. Oh, Baba.
hmm,
I suggest you search like this in Google and go through
hmm.
whatever extra information you are getting. How
Okay.
many cars are made in India? 26 million vehicles are made in India. Is Ford EcoSport exported from India? Yes, that is there. And as you rightly said, top 10 cars exported from in the year financial year 22, 23 का पता नहीं 22 का है. Here it is telling Maruti Suzuki Dzire, then Baleno, then almost
Okay.
all three, first three are Maruti, then comes Kia. Kia is manufactured by which country? Which company?
South Korea.
Oh, South Korean company. Acha. Hyundai, then Volkswagen. Shall I give the link in your Telegram or WhatsApp group? I'll give the link.
Okay.
थोड़ा ऐसा में भी odd questions can also they can ask. And
Hmm.
another irritating question they can ask is why are you not going to that company? As if nobody
Hmm.
knows the reason. Everybody knows the reason. There are no jobs. There are no vacancies. There are no equal payment or even 50% payment भी देता नहीं. Then how will
Hmm.
we go there? That is the reason. But थोड़ा हंस के बात कर लीजिएगा. Smile and answer.
Yeah, yeah.
They will irritate you, especially women,
Hmm.
because they will say, "How will you go to different places of our of our company? We will
Hmm.
post you to South India. Will you go? Will post you to Northeast India? Will you go?" Like that, they will ask. You say yes, yes, yes. You are not married, no?
I am married.
Acha, then further complication they will raise. What is your
Hmm.
husband doing?
He is in DRDO.
Oh, great. Defense Research Development. Then there can
Yeah.
be questions relating to DRDO. Who is the in charge of DRDO?
In oh, I forgot the name.
I know only ISRO, Somanathan, but DRDO का in charge कौन है?
I I think it is Satish Reddy. Uh, uh, yeah.
Defense
Or
Research.
or was it Samir? Something like that. Satish or Samir. I don't remember now. I looked it up, but for some reason I don't remember.
Forgot.
Yeah.
DR Defense Research and Development Organization.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes, yes.
It comes under which ministry?
Defense, Ministry of Defense.
Who is the Defense Minister?
Rajnath Singh.
Correct. Good. Like that, if you are able to tell, I am seeing my Wikipedia now. इधर data है. Um, Minister is Rajnath Singh. Agency Executive Samir B. Kamath.
Yeah, Samir. Okay. Yeah, I was
What
confused
did you
between
say?
Satish. I was confused between Satish and Samir.
Samir B. Kamath. Kamath.
Kamath. Okay.
Yeah. What are they doing? They will ask. अच्छा, where are they having offices? Bengaluru. अरे बाबा बहुत जगह में है.
Yeah, they have
हैदराबाद,
offices many places.
हैदराबाद, आगरा, बेंगलुरु, चित्रदुर्गा, चेन्नई, बाप रे बाप सब जगह में है.
Yeah, they have.
Good. So like that, something you please go through this page also, Wikipedia.
Okay.
So something we don't know what they will ask. That is the thing. Uh,
Right.
how many kids do you have?
One
How many year old?
1 year old
Oh, Baba, sweet. लड़का ना लड़की?
boy, baby boy.
Boy. What is the name you have given for him?
Jarnav.
Jarna.
Jarnav.
What is the meaning of that name?
It's Lord Shiva.
Oh, great. Great, great, great. Now, how will you manage the family also if you come and join here? Minimum, you have to be working for 5 days in a week from 9:45 to 6 o'clock.
Yeah. So I'm already working in TCS. So I have been working for eight
Acha, acha,
years.
acha, acha.
So
Oh, then
yeah.
there is no problem. Super. Oh, you are the TCS lady.
Yeah.
Then you will get. You try to take them to TCS area. And
Yeah.
about who is the in charge of TCS? Just a minute.
Kritivasan.
1 minute.
Okay.
अच्छा अच्छा TCS का कीर्तिवासन correct.
Yeah.
Who is
Kirti.
M Chandrasekharan?
He's the Tata Group chairman.
Good, very nice. Now in terms of say um, stock exchange, which stocks are being sold at a higher value? This is a very odd question. Somebody tells me MRF and all. Somewhere I read Tata's group's shares are rising very high and all that. That is why I asked.
Okay. No, I'm not
Okay.
sure about this.
Now
Yeah.
you're a TCS girl, no problem. You will be selected. How come you are available here during daytime? Acha, you are working from home, so you manage.
Yeah, I'm working from home, so
That
I
is why
could
you are
manage.
able to manage. Good, excellent. Now, with your kid being there, who will manage? Now, who is taking care of your in-laws or
Yeah, my
some
in-laws stay with us, so
excellent? Good, good. That is really good. Very nice. Now, what else? What do you know about NIACL? What do you think will be its progress in the next 5 years? This is a very silly question, I know, but still I'm asking. What do you think will be the position of insurance industry after 5 years? I have changed the question.
okay. So I think all the insurance companies will now be working towards the same goal of 2047 insurance for all that is being put forward by IRDAI. So with that goal in in place, I think all the insurance companies will be looking forward to increase their insurance penetration to the rural areas and also even in the urban areas, with the young people getting more insured.
Something more?
Mm.
I mean, as a
And they'll
computer
also,
person, as a computer
digital
person,
digitalization is also sorry?
correct. As a computer person, you can always talk
Yeah,
in
yeah.
favor of digitalization.
Yeah, so digitalization is also something that is being put forward by all the companies. So, with respect to digitalization, maybe insurance companies can bring in automation or even AI chatbots
Now,
to, yeah.
see, in the case of banking, we have cooperative banks, public sector bank, private sector bank, small finance bank, regional rural bank, payment bank. Why insurance में ऐसा कुछ नहीं ना?
Yeah, there's only public and private insurance.
I don't know why. So we can think of opening like payment bank. We can have pay insurance, something small, which is not very big. I don't know why no such attempt is being made for that. Now
But
I will
maybe because if there is a small insurance, let us say,
risky.
company or whatever, so then it will be risky to give the claims. Like let us say if 10 people are giving you premium and 5 out of them are claiming it, then it will be a problem for the company.
Exactly. Good. That is right. Now, any other questions you have in mind? You are the first
Mm.
candidate who is asking for questions.
No, because I really want to be prepared tomorrow. I don't want to be like, why are they asking me this?
Now you are ready for any question. For example, you are from Maharashtra.
No, no,
So,
I'm not from Maharashtra. I was born and brought up. I mean, I am Maharashtrian, but I was born and brought up in Hyderabad. And right now we are in Nashik because of my husband's profession.
work. Acha, acha, acha.
Yeah.
Good, good. Nasik, right. So that means అంటే మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నారా?
Telugu వచ్చు నాకు.
అచ్చా, అచ్చా. Very good, very good. That's right.
Mm.
Now, how do you see yourself 5 years from now, supposing you are selected in NIACL?
Yeah, so if I'm selected in NISEL, I would want to work towards the digitalization goal and insurance penetration goal by adding my expertise of both automobile and IT sector knowledge. For example, automating workflows or bringing in more integration between different portals. And through this, I would want to maybe work up the ladder and get into a senior management position.
See, I am seeing so many candidates and
Mm.
the quality of English communication, yours is on top within the first 20%. Please capitalize on that and try
Okay,
to answer the questions with confidence. Go through
okay,
today's or yesterday's newspaper, also tomorrow's newspaper also, and be
okay,
for some silly questions. Answer them with confidence. I'm sure you will succeed. And mostly, I don't have any hesitation about this. Best wishes.
okay. Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a
Thank you.
lot.
You did well, and
Okay.
more especially the
Mm.
clarity with which you speak. That is what is important, and that's sufficient for EAO. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Best wishes.